Hello! In this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to add a customer in Zoho Books. First, you have to log into your Zoho Books account, and from the left menu, click on the Sales tab and click on Customers. And now you have to create new customer. And the form like this will appear where you just need to fill in your customer's details like their name, their email, their phone number, and their billing address, their display name, their phone number, tax rate, and all the other details. And you just need to fill all of them and make sure all the information is correct. And once you're done, you have to click Save to add the customer to your list. And it's just that easy. If you want to edit or update the customer later, you can always come back to the Customers tab and select their profile. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.